Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. So we're still on the topic differentiation, differentiation, but now in hyperbolic differentiation. Okay, hyperbolic, trigonometric is alike, but hyperbolic we got h here. See, at the end of the word sine we got h, at the end of word cos we got h, and so on. Okay, now we call it sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cos. Okay, so this is the formula. So if we differentiate sine, we got cos. If we differentiate cos, we got sine. Okay, if we differentiate tan, we got secant squared x, and so on. Okay, now we go for the question. So the question asks to differentiate the function below with respect to x. So in this function, the function we call y, the variable that we need to differentiate is x. Okay, now we solve it. Okay, the first thing is that the first thing that we so this is 2x minus 5. Okay, 2x minus 5 is not in the simplest equation. So the simplest equation like sine x. So if you differentiate sine x, we will automatically got cos x. Okay, there is nothing to differentiate x. Okay, let's say you want to differentiate x, so dx, differentiate x kan, differentiate this x, so we got cos x darab 1, means that we still only got cos x. That's why for sine x, we differentiate sine x, we will got cos x. Nothing to differentiate for x because it is in the simplest equation. X is the simplest equation, but this one 2x minus 5 is not in the simplest equation. We can differentiate 2x minus 5. That's why we will use for this question, we will use hyperbolic differentiation and chain rule. Okay, hyperbolic and chain rule. Okay, first we differentiate the sine, and then we differentiate 2x minus 5. The inner one, the innest, paling dalam, kita differentiate paling last. Okay, so differentiate sine from the formula above, we got cos. Don't forget to put 2x minus 5. And then don't forget that we need to differentiate the inner one. Okay, differentiate 2x minus 5. Okay, write back. So differentiate 2x minus 5, we will get 2. So make it in the simplest equation, so it can be 2 will be bring in front of the equation. So this is how we write. This is the answer. Okay, so now we go for another question. So we got another equation which is cos power of 3 and then 2x minus 5. So we got, so here the outer, paling luar lah, that we need to differentiate is power of 3. After we differentiate power of 3, and then we differentiate cos, and then after that only the last one, the inner, paling dalam sekali that we need to differentiate is 2x minus 5. Okay, now we solve it. So differentiate starting with power of 3 first. So 3 kan duduk dekat luar lah. That's how we differentiate the power. And then don't forget 3 ni, okay, 3 Tolak 1 dapat 2 lah. So now after differentiate, the cosh will be power of 2. Don't forget to put 2x minus 5. And then, okay, second outer that we need to differentiate is cosh. Okay, cosh. And then the last thing that we need to differentiate, the inner one, is 2x minus 5. Okay, so since this has been differentiated, so we just put it right back. Okay, this one we don't differentiate it yet, so we need to differentiate here. Differentiate cosh, we get sine 2x minus 5. Then we need to differentiate 2x minus 5, we will get, differentiate 2x minus 5, we will get 2. So make it in the simplest equation. So 3 times 2 will get 6. So 6 cosh. And then don't forget we got sine here. So this is the answer. Okay. So now we go for the third question. So the third question, the y is the function. Okay, the function we call it fz. Okay, fz. And then the thing that we need to differentiate with respect to z. Okay. So in this question, we need to differentiate fz with respect to z. Okay. So from the above formula, so we differentiate secant, we will get negative secant. Okay, to z we must put to z lah. And then tanh, this is the formula from the hyperbolic differentiation lah. Okay, don't forget that we need to differentiate the inner one, 2z. Since we can differentiate 2z, we get 2, right? So negative secant 2z tanh 2z. Don't forget, differentiate this one, we'll get 2. So make it in the simplest equation. Negative put first and then 2. And then, okay, 2 here, put it here. Secant 2z. And then tanh 2z. Just write back. Right back. So this is the answer.